Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce my school. My school's name is Siratul Mustaqim Islamic Academy. It is in Hajiganj. We also have 2 more branches in Chatpur and Faridpur. Our school was established in Hajiganj in 2025. It has 7 big rooms and a big playground. Our teachers are very kind and helpful. They teach us to be good, honest, polite, kind and religious, along with general education. I feel proud to be a student of Siratul Mustaqim Islamic Academy because of its honesty and good environment. It is my favorite school and will always be.